Bitcoin was hovering around $23,000 on February 7 as the Golden Cross chart phenomenon, which had not occurred in 18 months, took place. This event occurs when the 50-period moving average crosses the 200-period moving average. It could potentially propel BTC USD higher beyond the current all-time high. Despite this, major resistance in the form of ask liquidity exists at $23,500. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's comments later this week could be significant in terms of market moving potential. Bitcoin whales were already taking advantage of the dip, and altcoins could also benefit from buy the dip strategies. This analysis of Bitcoin's current state provides a comprehensive overview of the market, from the current price to technical analysis from experts. This article outlines the potential impact of the Golden Cross and other potential factors such as the upcoming comments from the Federal Reserve. It's an excellent resource for those looking to gain more insight into the crypto market. Damus, a decentralized social network, has teased an upcoming feature. It will allow users to earn Satoshis based on post engagement. The application is built on Nostr, a decentralized network that enables end-to-end private messaging without the use of servers. It has been met with great excitement from the community. Jack Dorsey, former Twitter CEO, has expressed his support for Nostr by donating 14 BTC to the developers of the project. He has also called for the creation of a decentralized Twitter alternative. Cointelegraph has reached out to a Damus developer for comments. This new feature from Damus looks promising for users who want to monetize their posts on the platform. It's also great to see Jack Dorsey's support for the development of a decentralized social network. It's exciting to see how this will further the conversation around censorship-related issues on Twitter. Ethereum has recently achieved a significant milestone in its coin burning rate, with over 10,000 coins destroyed. This has the potential to affect the asset's market price, as the circulating supply is now decreasing at a faster rate. The cryptocurrency has been consistently moving upward throughout the market recovery, driven by retail investors and ETH staking. Coin burning serves to reduce the supply of Ethereum and increase its scarcity, potentially leading to an increase in its value. While it cannot become a main source of support, the further recovery of the market should lead to the fundamental growth of the Ethereum ecosystem. Positive performance on the market is expected as a result. This is a great insight into the potential impact of Ethereum's burning protocol on the asset's market price. The burning of coins has the potential to reduce the supply and increase the scarcity of Ethereum, which could lead to significant growth in its value. However, the success of the asset depends on the development of the network and its many solutions, which should bring more fundamental growth. The case is still ongoing and the judge has issued an order setting up more discovery regarding the SEC's proposed remedies. The order will phase and expedite the remaining discovery, requiring LBRY to provide electronic files supporting its profit and loss statement and balance sheet, as well as for the parties to meet and confer to attempt to agree on interrogatories and document requests. Once the parties meet and confer, the SEC must provide a supplemental brief addressing the issue of remedy. Additionally, the judge made it clear that his order does not include secondary sales of LBC tokens. This order from Judge Barbadoro provides a clear timeline of upcoming events in the ongoing LBRY SEC case. It sets out a phased and expedited discovery process, while also making it clear that the injunction does not apply to secondary sales of LBC tokens. Hut 8 Mining and US Bitcoin Corporation have agreed to merge and become wholly owned subsidiaries of the newly formed Hut 8 Corp. Shareholders of the two will own 50% of the merged company. The merged company will have access to around 825 megawatts of energy capacity. The deal will see existing shares of Hut 8 consolidated 5-to-1 in the new company. It will give the new company access to capital and the possibility of being included in US indexes. The merger also diversifies the geographic distribution of mining sites across North America. Hut 8 will provide secured bridge financing of up to $6.5 million to US, and the boards of the two firms have unanimously approved the deal. Equity holders and court approval are still pending, and the companies hope to close the deal by the end of the second quarter. The leadership of the new entity has also been confirmed. This merger between Hut 8 Mining and US Bitcoin Corporation is one of many consolidation moves in the industry due to the bear market of last year. The deal has the potential to give the new US-based company access to capital, the possibility of being included in indexes in the US, and the diversification of mining sites across North America. It also provides Hut 8 with access to hundreds of megawatts of cheap energy and US Bitcoin Corporation with a partner with a strong balance sheet. The two companies are hoping to close the deal by the end of the second quarter. The Ethereum testnet successfully simulated withdrawals of staked Ether for the first time. This brings the blockchain one step closer to its transition to a fully featured proof-of-stake network. The upgrade was triggered and finalized within a 13-minute time frame. It has been set up to provide developers with a dress rehearsal of the withdrawals that will take place on the main Ethereum blockchain following its Shanghai upgrade, expected next month. The upgrade includes partial and full withdrawals, as well as BLS changes which allow people to change their withdrawal credentials. It is the first of 3 testnets that will run through a simulation of Shanghai, followed by Sepolia and Goerli. This will be the first hard fork for Ethereum since it transitioned to a proof-of-stake network. Crypto traders are paying attention to how Shanghai might move the market and its effects on ETH prices. This is an important development for Ethereum as the second biggest blockchain moves closer to transitioning to a fully featured proof-of-stake network. The testnet is designed to provide developers with a dress rehearsal of the withdrawals similar to those that will happen on the main Ethereum blockchain following its long-awaited Shanghai upgrade, expected next month. As a result, the Shanghai upgrade has become a highly anticipated event for the cryptocurrency ecosystem as traders pay attention to how it might move the market.